Hi, I'm Dr. Munshi. In this video, I'll talk about oral and dental care for COVID 19 patients and post COVID 19 patients. Oral and dental care is utmost important because from oral cavity, various diseases can spread throughout the body. So, dental or oral care is utmost important. Now, for COVID 19 patients, due to the disease manifestation or maybe for the reaction of various drugs or increased stress level, we have been experiencing with patients with oral lesions, mainly oral ulcerations, painful cheek, inner side of the cheek, painful tongue, even sensitivity of tooth. So in this case, you should call a dentist if the oral lesions are severe. But in case of mild to moderate oral lesions, you should care in your home only. Do warm salt water mouth rinse. In warm water, add little 1 or 2 pinch of salt and do mouth rinses, gargle with that solution. Alternatively, you can do betadine gargle. Betadine gargle is very much effective for reducing the symptoms what you are experiencing, that sore throat or oral lesions, etc. You can do chlorhexidine mouthwash also, but betadine gargle nowadays it is more advisable for this COVID situation. It is effective in reducing the symptoms of COVID-19, coughs and itching in your throat or sore throat, mouth ulcerations, etc. So, for COVID 19 patients, oral care is very much important for mild and moderate case. And for severe case, it is very much important. It is must to do oral hygiene, maintenance of oral hygiene. I forget to mention, you have to brush twice. Normally, all the people should do oral toothbrushing twice, after breakfast and after dinner. For COVID 19 patients, it is must to do brushing twice. Those patients, severe COVID 19 patients, severe pneumonia, those require ventilation or oxygenation for long days, patients suffering from diabetes mellitus, patient took steroid for long days. Oral care is very much important because fungal diseases are more prevalent in patients with diabetes mellitus, those who suffer from COVID 19 and was on steroid. So these patients, fungal infections is common, and it most of the time it is starting with in the oral cavity. So after recovery from COVID 19, you have to take care of your mouth also. You have to gargle with betadine solution 5 to 6 times a day. The substantivity is only 1 hour for betadine. So ideally you should do 24 times in 24 hours, but it is not possible. Do 5 to 6 times a day for 3 months, at least 1 month. If there are no symptom, no nothing is there, nothing seriousness is there, for after 1 month you can reduce the timing of mouth rinsing. Now our country India, and in many states, mucormycosis fungal disease is increasing. So for prevention purpose of this mucormycosis also, you should do betadine mouth rinse. twice brushing, betadine mouth wash, and warm salt water mouthwash. This is enough for your dental and oral care. Whenever you are finding that your ulcer or any oral lesion is abnormal, or anything that is you think abnormal, just contact with your dentist or oral surgeon or any available dental specialists. So during and after COVID-19, oral and dental care is at most important. Regularly you should do these things. Thank you very much for patience listening.